So you've got one of those HP OfficeJet Pro X or page-wide printers, and maybe you've noticed a bit of a waste ink situation. That's where this little guy, the CN45960377 Duplex Module Assembly, comes into play. It's essentially designed to manage that excess ink that can build up during printer cleaning cycles. Think of it as a dedicated collector for those internal cleanups, keeping things tidy inside your machine. Now, it's not exactly a flashy component you'll be admiring on your desk, but its job is pretty crucial for the longevity and smooth operation of your printer. It's built to fit a range of models, from the X451DN and X476DW series right up to the page-wide E55650 and X576DW. The part number CN45960377 is the key if you're looking to replace or upgrade. When you get it in your hands, it feels, well, like a sturdy piece of printer hardware. It's not flimsy, which is a good sign. The installation process, for those comfortable opening up their printer, is usually straightforward, though it does require a bit of patience and careful handling of internal printer components. It's designed to slot right into place, guiding that waste ink where it needs to go. What stands out, though, is its specific function. It's not about printing faster or better quality, but about preventing those internal messes that can eventually lead to bigger problems or just a generally unhappy printer. It's a maintenance part, really, and sometimes those are the most important ones. Honestly, the only real downside is that it's a part that might need replacing eventually. It's not a consumable in the traditional sense, but like any mechanical component, it has a lifespan. If your printer is giving you grief related to waste ink or internal cleaning errors, this is often the culprit. So, if you're experiencing those telltale signs of a printer needing a bit of internal housekeeping, this Duplex Diverter Guide is a solid bet for getting things back on track. It's a functional piece that does its job quietly and effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.